Hello and welcome to another installment of What Is? This is the series where we take a look at some automotive technologies that are out there and try to get a better handle on exactly what's going on. We don't do a deep dive, but we touch on the basics so that you get a better idea of what is going on with vehicle technology in today's world. And today we're checking out blind spot monitoring. And we're doing so in a car that is at the cutting edge of technology right now. This is a 2021 Mercedes S580, and it has so much tech going on that it's a bit overwhelming and wild, but it is a wonderful machine and a perfect platform to talk about blind spot monitoring. Now, what is that? When you're driving along, you have what are called blind spots. Those are areas that are not readily accessible in your field of view. Say that way or that way, mostly behind you or just to the side of you, because you can see what's going on in front of you. And if your mirrors are properly adjusted, you have a pretty good field of view around you. Now, what blind spot monitoring does is it picks up the areas where you really can't see. It's usually off to your rear 3/4 sections where there could be a vehicle sitting there and you're gonna have a hard time seeing it. So blind spot monitoring uses a variety of sensors, occasionally cameras, and all sorts of other things to detect when a vehicle or an object is there. And it lets you know that by either an audible alert or a simple visual cue, often in your side view mirrors. In the mirrors of this Mercedes S580, there's a little triangle in the glass, and if that is illuminated in orange, it means there's something there. You can verify yourself by looking over your shoulder or taking a peek and see what's going on. Now, more advanced systems will even take it a step further so that if you try to move into the space occupied by something that you can't see, the alerts will get stronger. The car could even intervene and say, no, hold on, you don't want to do that. There's something there right now. So a blind spot monitoring system is a safety net, which just gives you an extra set of eyes in a section that you can't easily see out on the road. Blind spot monitoring systems have been around for a while now, and they're offered on every level of vehicle. You don't have to spend $143,000, which is the as-tested price of this specific vehicle here, to get such a system. It's just some of them are a bit more seamless, a bit more well integrated, but they all do basically the same thing. And these days they all work really well. It's hard to get one that would be giving you false alerts. That's not something you really need to worry about. If the blind spot monitoring system is illuminated, you should assume that there's something there.